Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Today on Cooking with Corey, Pimento Cheese Burger with, guess what, jalapeno and bacon. It's going to be epic. Stay around, you don't want to miss this one. Let's get it going. Alright, let's take a look at our cast of characters for today. I got 8 ounces of smoked cheddar, 8 ounces of sharp cheddar, which I shredded. You get the block, you shred it, trust me. Have much better luck when we're doing the cheese. Some Bayou Bear. It's going to be a seasoning that we use. You can't get it in the store. I got that from Smoking Bears. Have whatever seasoning you want to it or not. It's good without it. I got 1 jalapeno here, which I cut into strips, and a little bit of onion. Some diced pimentos right there. 4 ounces. Some mayonnaise. We'll see how much we need. Salt and pepper. Got a big old burger here that I already did. It's around, I would say, 8 ounces. 4 slices of cheese. We're going to start with that. Let's get this burger going next on the Blackstone. All right, let's get started. 16 ounces total of our delicious cheese of your choice. Today we're using smoked cheddar and a sharp cheddar, which you need to grate with a grater. That stuff that comes in a can is kegs of stuff. It's just not, it just doesn't absorb everything. So here we go, 4 ounces of our pimentos. I'm not even going to drain it. It goes right in there. Let's do some Bayou Bear. Let's not get crazy with this. Let's do 1 tablespoon all the way around there. We're going to hit it with a little bit of salt and pepper, which was combined there. And then mayo of your choice. I'm using Hellmann's. Now, you in the South are going to use Stokes. And I'm not a southerner, so you guys are probably going to be picking on my stuff here, but it's all good. Sad. It's a good 1.5 cups, I would say, for your pimento cheese. And you just combine. And I'm going to combine here for a little bit. No reason for you guys to be watching me do this. And we'll come back and we'll see where we are. If we need to add, subtract, what we can't subtract, but we can add. So we'll see where we're at. Here we are. We got it all mixed in. Looking good. I think that's just about the right amount. Let's give her a taste test. Yeah. That's really good. Alright, pimento cheese. That is done. Let's get our burger rolling on the Blackstone next. Okay, people. Time to get our burger and our bacon going here. To get our burger going. Salt, pepper. And obviously I didn't pack that too hard. As you can tell, you can still see the grinding in it. You still see the grinding in it right there. So I did not pack that too hard. That, he's gonna go right down there. And our bacon will go right here, like so. I don't think we need 4 pieces of bacon, but you know, what the hell. Hey, it's gonna be cold here before long, so we might as well fatten ourselves up. Alright, go side. I already know I'm a little fat, I'm a little fluffy. Anyway, let's get our cook started this way. 8 ounces of 80/20 ground chuck, 4 slices of bacon on the Blackstone. We'll be back. We're moving right along. Our bacon's going, our burger's going. We got a big fat burger. Let's give our bacon a flip here. Oh, Nelly. Work out his plan there. Let's get 2 of these, make up time. There we go. Alright. Bacon's rendering off. Our burger's over here. He doesn't quite need flipped yet. He is so big and plump and fat. We don't want to flip him quite yet. Want to get a nice crust on him. Bacon's good. Alright, our bacon is pretty close. It's around there. Got some good color on them. Actually, we're going to take that, move them over there. We're going to take our burger, put them over here on the bacon fat side. But first, I wanted you guys to see that crust we got on him. Look at that. Big fat burger with a big fat crust. Right, bacon's finishing up. Burger will finishing up in about 2.5 minutes or so. And we'll work on from there. Right, we got our burger here. I do not want to like cook this to like oblivion. I don't really worry about that. Maybe I should, but I don't. Anyway, here comes our pimento cheese spread, right on top, like that. Big old glob, however much you want. Go on there. Got a lid right here, our outdoor lid. We're gonna hit it with a little bush light and the lid. Okay, we put it under the lid, probably a minute. We look, still looking pretty good. Nice and high, looking good. We'll give it a little smush. All right, it needs another one. So we're gonna do it again. Bush light, lid. Okay, it's time to unveil our burger, and we'll get her over there and get her plated. Unveil it here. Here we go. Look at that. Tell me that, I mean, come on. Look at that cheesy deliciousness stuff right there. I mean, come on. Tell me that is not a delicious looking burger right there. All right, before we plate, we obviously got to do some other work here. We gotta get our jalapeno and our onion going on there. Got our brioche bun working here. We'll hit that with a little bit of salt and pepper. What we're doing is cooking that off. And there's still a little bit of that bacon grease there to do it. We don't want those totally soft. We want a little bite to them. Won't be long. Next time you see us, we'll be plating that big old burger. Oh my gosh, cheese pimento burger with jalapenos, onion, and bacon. All right, we've been sauteing away. They still got a little bit of texture to them, as you can see. That's where we want them. Move these off to the side, and as I promised, let's go make that burger. Let's go get her done. Let's go do it right now. Okay, culinarians, time to plate. Got a brioche bun that we toasted on our Blackstone. Let's add a nice little slice of lettuce to that. Just like that. Couple slabs, nice thin slices of tomato, which we'll give some salt and pepper because tomatoes love salt and pepper. Our delicious pimento cheese burger right here. Doesn't that look delicious? Like a pimento and cheese bomb. Let's get her off there and let's get her on here. Oh man, that was a problem. All right, let's throw her back in there. That's all good. On there like so. All good. We're looking good in the neighborhood right now. Let's take our onions and our delicious jalapenos. Just throw those on the top. Get them on there. Yep. Don't be shy. And then bacon. And we're gonna break these in two. Nice crispy bacon. Get it shoved down in there. It is really crispy. This is a good Hormel Black Label bacon. So you know that's good stuff. That's 3. I think that's good enough. This burger is looking absolutely tasty right now. Alright, let's put the lid on him. Give him a little push. I'm going to take a quick thumbnail and then we will cut into him. Alright, we got this delicious burger. We need to cut into it. I'm excited. Alright, let's cut into it. Right down the middle. See what it looks like? I'll tell you what. Now that's a burger right there. Look at that. A burger with actually some burger in it. Alright, look at this thing. Look at this mammoth of a burger. Look at all that juice coming out. Let's take a test. Oh. Now, peeps, that's a burger. Oh my Lord. A cheese spread. There's something else on the burger. Oh, jalapeno. And the fresh veggies. It's definitely not good for you. It's definitely delicious. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cooking with Corey on YouTube. We'll see you next week.